Med Challenger gives you lots of tools you can use to study the way that works best for you. So let's show you all your options.
First, from the blue study button on your dashboard, select exam simulators.
Now, choose your course from the drop-down menu. If you click on a major specialty, you'll see lots of options for studying. At the top of the list, you'll see the board exam simulator. And if you want to do a quick self-assessment of your strengths and weaknesses, this is a good place to start. It consists of 100 questions from a comprehensive Q&A bank that will mirror exam subject area specifications every time. Once you've completed this simulator, you'll see your score and you'll be able to review what you answered correctly and incorrectly. For the questions you missed, you'll see explanations as well as recommended study materials. This is a part of Med Challenger's prescriptive remediation that makes sure you're targeting the areas you need to so you can ace the board exam. And that's why each time you retake the board exam simulator, our adaptive engine adjusts the questions so you're not wasting your time on material you already know. Another option for studying that you'll see just underneath the board exam simulator is the 100 question baseline exam. This is always the same 100 questions, but in a randomized order. The baseline exam is typically used by group administrators to assess initial knowledge in a specialty or subject area across a group of incoming trainees or students. Although we recommend taking the board exam simulator at least 5 times, if you feel you already know what subjects you need to focus on, you can go straight to chapter exams. Each of these assessments has 20 questions, and just like the board exam simulator, once you complete an assessment, you'll be given answer explanations and additional study recommendations.
You also have the option to dive even deeper into specific areas with our topic-based learning. From the blue study button on your dashboard, if you select Study by Topic, you can expand the different chapters and choose a specific topic to study. Each of these topics will have a Q&A button, and some will have a media button. The media button contains images, x-rays, charts, and other tools that give you more ways to learn the material. Some topics have more than one Q&A button, and you'll want to go through each one.
When you click the Q&A button, you'll go to a page that has 3 options: Practice, Review, and CME Assessment. Practice mode is interactive. It lets you go through the Q&A with 2 chances to answer each question. When you answer a question correctly, or if you answer incorrectly twice, an explanation will appear to give you further information. The review mode is not interactive. Here you can simply scroll through the Q&A and see the correct answer along with the expanded explanation. It is essentially a study guide. Under CME Assessment, choosing Start New Assessment will take you to a Q&A where you'll earn CME credit with a score of 80% or better. If you leave an assessment before you've completed it, it will automatically pause, and you can simply choose Resume when you return. Like all of Med Challenger's products, when you have completed an assessment, you can see your score and any recommended study material for missed questions. We want you to reach your study goals in the fastest time possible, and we have designed all our learning tools to make sure that happens.